Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add money to PrizePicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your PrizePicks in your browser or in your app phone, and once you do that, be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing this money icon, or on your phone as well. All you gotta do is click on this plus icon, and once you click on this plus icon, if you are not verified yet, then what you need to do is get verified at first. And all you gotta do in order to verify is click the get started and follow the on-screen instructions. And once you're verified, and once you click on the plus button, here you'll be seeing this kind of screen on your phone. And now all you gotta do is simply select a payment method like credit card or debit card, instant bank transfer, PayPal or Apple Pay. And once you have selected it, all you gotta do is just enter in the deposit amount. And then once you do that, enter your card number if you have used a card number, or enter in your account number if you are using other options. And all you gotta do now is just simply click on this deposit 100 and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And that's basically how to add money to PrizePicks. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.